Okay, welcome back, everybody. Before the break, we're starting now. Could you sit down? We're starting? Yeah, now please. Thank you. Jeez. Okay, so before the break, we were looking at functions, and if you remember, what we were doing was you can add a new word or a new idea to Python by saying, let's define foo of x to be, I don't know, return type of x. And then, of course, we can just print foo of, I don't know, 2783 or something like that, and it tells you that this thing's an integer, right? This is really simple stuff. I mean, even Excel users can understand this. So what we're going to do now is take a look at some of the other things that we can do with functions. Now, the def keyword here is really important. That's what tells you that you're creating a function, but you're defining, not using. This is instantiating a new function object. It's not actually invoking anything. So, and yes, it's lexical binding. So what we're going to do now is if I say something like, okay, let's just do something really simple, like double of x is return 2 times x, which of course is polymorphic. We can double 3, right? And as you'd expect from something which is doing like lazy binding on types, we can double foo, and right, it works like you'd expect. So for those of you who haven't seen functions before, don't worry about this. This is what you expect. Trust me. So, hang on, sorry. Right, so what we're gonna do now is if I then say, let's define functor of the function we're applying and the object we're applying it to be return f of O plus f of O, and then I can say functor of double and 3, and right, that should return 6. Oh, sorry, my bad. Don't worry about this. I'm just going to fix this up. So we do that. Right, and so now what I've defined is a higher level function that lets me start passing functions around as parameters, because a function is just another data object, so you can pass it in. So what we're really doing here is saying 3 plus 3, well, 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3, which is 12. Any questions?